Hello YouTube. We went to the pawn shop the other day. Okay, now this pawn shop I drove by several times, and it just caught my attention because on the window they had these big posters up saying 50, 60, 70% off. I'm like, well, this place must be going out of business. So, you know how they put up sales like that just to get you to come in. Well, in the past they've had stuff marked like this, and I'll show you this on this socket set. Okay, you see the dates on here? So as of September 28th, this was the price. If it gets to January 2nd, the 21st, it'll be down to $12. Then as the dates go by, it'll drop down. Okay? So if it's still there, like next year, it's going to be $6. So that's where they might get away with legally saying 60, 70, whatever percent off. It's gradually as time goes on, whatever. But we already took this off, so we'll peel it back off carefully because we wanted the glue off it. So if we can take a picture of that, we don't have to. This is kind of odd. See how it says that, Craftsman? Well, you open it this way. So let me pause. I see my battery symbol flashing. Let's put a fresh battery and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I say okay a lot as watch one of my videos. Okay, here we go again. Okay. Oh well. It's kind of funky to open up. I want to show you the little bit of trouble I had. I don't want to break nothing. I did see some boxes on the internet where they had things on the side where you could stack these extra clips. Kind of a funky clip. That sounds kind of weird. It looks backwards to me. Okay, now I've seen these on the internet. The ratchet, $20 alone. I've seen the set around $25. I want to go through all the sizes. I mean, it starts way down here. It has some of the few oddball 30-second ones in there. This is like 5 30-seconds. Okay? And then you go to 3/16. And they got the little square in there. See that? Ain't that kind of nice? How that fits in there. Okay. Now I did see a set where these were labeled on the metric set. These are SAE. These are not labeled on here. You have to pull them out to see what they are. But you get assorted Torx bits, which I do use. I have Allen wrenches. Then you got your Phillips. These both looks like, well, yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Then you got the 2 straight blades. I don't remember the size. So that's nice too. So you have that. Here's a little thing when you want to use your bits. And then that goes on the ratchet. Put that where it belongs. You got a little 2-inch extension. Kind of hard to get some of this stuff out when you got big fingers. There. Do it that way. This is 72 tooth ratchet. Now I looked up the model number of this. I found one on Amazon, but the cover was not clear, and it was a different model number. But we're going to put some oil in here with some of my super lube. I don't know if we'll take it apart to do it, or we'll just drip some down in there. You know, the more teeth fire, the more you can do, like just a little bit of a click, move, like 2 clicks. I don't know if you can hear it. You know, so that's the selling point of them. You can move just a little in a tight space. But I do like this handle. You know, the old ones had the flat type handle, but this is nice and smooth. Kind of tapers here. I do not have a good 1/4-inch ratchet. I have a cheap $3 one from a pawn shop. And I have deep well sockets, metric SAE, but I don't have any short ones. So I wasn't going to pass this up for 15 bucks. You know, it's brand new. It's not dirty. It's never been used. I mean, there ain't a speck of dirt or dust anywhere on this thing. So I thought that was kind of neat, you know. Sure, I might be able to get a brand new one for $5 or more plus shipping, or might be $10 more, but right there in front of me. See what I mean by how weird this is? How this closes. You got to get it just right. There. But still, it's kind of odd, ain't it? looks backwards to me. It does. They want me to open it like this. We're spending too much time on this, but oh well. It's my channel. I'll do what I want to do. Somebody laughed about that in the comments. I'll do what I want to do. I'm not going to open it that way. I'm going to open it this way. So, you did it backwards. Come on. And you know, nowhere on here it says made in China or where it's made. Anywhere. It does not. I looked, and I looked at every socket. I'll take a bigger one and show you the quality. You got your numbers. Nothing super special. I watched the guy reviewing tools and says, well, they're not plated on the inside. Well, yeah, different than the outside. But I was going to show you that though. One more feature. This has your quick release, your button, so they don't fall out. I mean, that's a plus. I mean, that's a big plus, especially for any sockets, you know. And you can flip it without taking, you know, you flip it with it, keep it in your hand. I like that. Don't come out till you press the button. So, yeah, there's a plus on that. Okay, we'll go on to the next item up for bids. No, I'm not selling stuff on the internet and using YouTube to show it. I don't get paid to show this stuff either, so. We'll pause. We'll show you the next item I got, which I didn't save a whole lot, but I could not pass it up for $5. Okay, the next item. I just left a sticker on here. You could pause if you want to see this, I mean, how, you know, after a certain date, the money goes down. $5. Well, these are $10 at Harbor Freight. They're Warrior. I might have guessed that in the store. Only $10. But they show the sizes so I don't have to read them to you. There we go. You want to pause on it. Well, this mandrel alone costs a few bucks in the store. There is sawdust on it. I did look at that. I didn't take it off. Get into view here. And this one was used. Now, I haven't even taken it out of here and look. I'm sure it's still sharp. You know they don't make this stuff the greatest. A few of the teeth are kind of not, but that could have came that way. But I'm sure it'll go through wood. It's probably for your deadbolt lock. See the size of a doorknob? I'm assuming that's about what it is. Your 2.5 inch 64 millimeter. So somebody probably bought it and used it only one time to put it in a door lock. These had the plastic bag on them, these didn't. They kind of got the little thing where they fit in, but kind of rabbit. Tingy tingy. Heck, if I didn't need them, I could make wind chimes out of them. But I do have a set of these, a bigger set. But, you know, I just could not walk out of the store and leave these for $5. Did I get this in backwards? Was anybody watch me taking it apart? So there you go. We'll leave you a couple of pictures. This ain't nothing special, but $5. I don't even need this paper. I suppose I could throw it in there. Hear that go ting ting? Yeah, that's what I thought. Make some wind chimes out of them. That won't do it. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is not a tool review. It's just what I got at the pawn shop. I like showing that. I think I got a couple good deals. So, we're out of here.